I recently got a WalkingPad R1H, let's have a look. Inside you find the instructions and of course the walking pad itself. I have to say, WalkingPad did secure the treadmill very well. Let's get to work on it. This time around the walking pad has a green tint. I for one like it. Would you like a green walking pad? Tell me in the comments down below. WalkingPad claims that the setup process is very straightforward. I do agree with that and I find it very easy. If you use it standalone, you need to raise the console. Once that's done, you can adjust its height. Some handlebars were added to the R1H. They can be opened or closed very easily. The new console does feature a new tablet or smartphone holder. The treadmill is foldable. The running space is measured at 120 cm x 44 cm. Personally, I find that to be a good size. Let's fire up the walking pad. One very important thing. There's a hook for security which needs to be installed on the console. You may know this from other treadmills, it's very effective. So far I didn't need a stop function, it can stay that way. Before you run, please make sure to put on some oil. You may run afterwards and keep your walking pad safe. I let the walking pad run for a few seconds to check if everything is okay. My R1H runs perfectly. In the footage on screen right now you can see that the walking area is spacey and not too small. The belt is right in the middle of the walking area. In the past few weeks I didn't run into any problems, pun intended. The walking pad showed off its functions long enough, let's get to work. There is an app for the treadmill. It will record your workouts and you can control the workout via the app. That's just one way to control the walking pad, there's a remote too. You may walk on the walking pad or run on it. If you walk like me, you don't need to raise the console. If you run and go beyond 6 km per hour, you need to unfold the walking pad. And here's a true story. My girlfriend learned to love running with a walking pad. I have to say, we do enjoy doing sports together. If we run for a short time, we increase our speed. We tend to run a bit slower if we run for an hour. In this clip you see me running late at night. That's totally doable because the noise while running is not that loud. While I tend to run a bit slower at night, no neighbor felt the need to knock on my door while running. And that goes for day or night. The new walking pad runs at a maximum speed of 10 km per hour. While I'm using shoes while running most of the time, you don't need shoes to walk on the walking pad. A lot of people like to run without shoes and it's totally doable. I myself do it if I'm walking to close my Apple Watch rings, like in this scenario right here. What do you prefer? Are you wearing shoes while running or not? Once you finished your workout, the application will save the workout and slow down the belt. Your workout session is now done. Putting the walking pad in its place is very easy. It doesn't take up a lot of space if you fold it together. From now on, it's basically all the same all the time. You just unfold the walking pad, set a walking or running speed and go for it. You may also use your smartwatch for tracking, but usually it's fine if you just use the application. My girlfriend and I really love the walking pad idea. I'm very happy it does work fine. We are going to perform a stop test now. Let's say I'm running and something happens. Once removed, the walking pad stops in a short amount of time. This works great. Let's hope I won't be needing this feature in real life. While I do use a VMAX projector for entertainment, it's not really needed. However, watching a movie helps passing time while running. You can get a walking pad for around 600 euros. But watch out, there are usually promotions to redeem while ordering. If you have any questions in regards to the walking pad, please leave a comment.